Namaste student, myself Jevin Anshika Kushwaha, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science, Department of Food and Biotechnology. Our subject is Fundamental of Biotechnology, and today's session is Definition and Historical Perspective of Biotechnology, their commercial potential of biotechnology, and what is the scope and importance of biotechnology. So here we are starting. First of all, we will discuss what is biotechnology. Biotechnology is made up of two or three words. Bios means life, techno means life, tools, and logos means study of. So literally the study of tools from living thing is known as biotechnology. So definition is the biotechnology is branch of science in which living things are used to make new product. It is the use of living organism of processes to make product useful for mankind. What is the history of biotechnology? It has been existing since centuries, begin with the first action of human on life for his welfare. It started when people modified microorganisms to needs of humanity. In past, biotechnologists used each cells to ferment alcoholic drink and to bacteria to make cheese and yogurt. Term coined by Hungarian engineer Carl Iricky. Modern biotechnology started in California in 1970s. Before 1971, the term biotechnology was used primarily in food processing and agriculture industries. Biotechnology Industrial Park is a special form of industrial park specialized in biotechnology. Such industrial park usually host a cluster of companies that work together as a biorefinery. A biorefinery is a biomass equivalent of an oil refinery. These companies refine biomaterials and produce bioproducts. So next bioengineering areas are mechanical engineering, biological system prosthetics, and in chemical engineering, biotechnology, nanoparticle interfaces, polymer and biofuels are added. In biology and neurobiology, it's computational, molecular and cellular biology and physiology. Then, did you know biotechnology combine disciplines like engineering, computer science, cell and molecular biology, microbiology, genetics, physiology, biochemistry, immunology, virology, embryology, and recombinant DNA technology, in which genetic manipulation of bacteria, viruses, fungi, plants, and animals, often for the development of specific products, are there. So what are the application of biotechnology? There are various fields like health, agriculture, industry, environment. So next application of biotechnology in food, pharmaceutical and agriculture health, like medical biotechnology. In this, diagnostic, therapeutic and vaccines are there. In agricultural biotechnology, plant agriculture, farms, food processing are there. In environmental biotechnology, cleaning through remediation, preventing environmental problems are there. And in forensic biotechnology, there is paternity test and scientific investigations. Then next, industrial biotechnology. In this, energy production of new material. So next, what are the types of biotechnology? There are four types of biotechnology. First is green biotechnology, which is agricultural applications. In red biotechnology, there is medical applications. In blue biotechnology, there is aquatic applications, and in white biotechnology, there is industrial application. So what is green biotechnology? Agriculture biotechnology, it is a collection of a specific technique used to improve plants, animals and microorganisms based on the understanding of DNA. Scientists have developed situations to increase agricultural productivity. It enhances breeders' ability to make improvements in crops and livestock and enables improvements that are not possible with traditional crossing of related species alone. In green biotechnology, plant tissue culture, plant genetic engineering, biofertilizers, and biopesticides, hybridization, and fight climate change are there. Next, green biotechnology is the use of biotechnological technique in agriculture. Vitamin A deficiency is a very serious problem and can cause blindness at a young age if left untreated. Golden rice was genetically modified to produce beta carotene. A diet including golden rice can thus helps to raise vitamin A level. So next, what is wide biotechnology? It is also called as industrial biotechnology. It is the design of an organism to produce useful chemicals, and that is enzyme. Like in this, applied technology to improve food quality, in role in beverage industry, and in medicine like antibiotics, in the development of new vaccine. Next, in the development of new processes for higher production, and in the role of food processing. Biotechnology, wide biotechnology is the use of biological methods to optimize industrial processes and applied by manufacturing of laundry detergent. It includes research for new enzymes that work under extreme condition, wash temperatures of 20 degrees Celsius or 90 degrees Celsius. This often entails modifying the enzymes of microorganisms for these processes. Next is red biotechnology. The term is used in medical processes. It involves the manipulation of microorganisms to make products such as antibiotics, and it includes production of medicine and pharmaceutical products for treating or diagnosing disorders, and designing of organism to manufacture antibiotic and vaccines, engineering of genetic defects through genomic manipulation, and it is used in forensic DNA through profiling. So its example is the production of human insulin from non-human sources, production of hormones like interferon, cytokinin, steroids, and human growth hormones, and in gene therapy for prevention and control of disease like hemophilia, cystic fibrosis. So what are the uses? In cloning, gene therapy, genetic testing, agricultural development of medicine and environment. These are the use of biotechnology. In the development of medicine, microorganisms can be used to make biological substances for human which are equally effective as natural substances. Microorganisms such as bacteria and yeast are used to make substances like insulin and interferon, and treatment of diseases like hepatitis and arthritis are made possible with the help of biotechnology. So in drug production, insulin, human insulin is being produced using genetic engineering technology known as humulin, and it is used for treatment of diabetes, that is low sugar level in blood. The next is interferon. Interferon interfere the transmission of viral genome from one cell to another, and it is also inhibit the cell division of abnormal cell. Interferon produced using the recombinant DNA technology to treat cancer patient. Interferon improved the quality of life of cancer patient. Next is Human Genome Project. Since dwarfism is caused by growth hormone deficiency, so it can be diagnosed by HGH testing. So next is what is gene therapy? The process in which faulty gene is removed or replaced with its healthy copy to restore the normal function of that gene. For example, disease like cancer is treated by replacing defective gene with the healthy one. Gene therapy is replacing a mutated gene that causes disease with a healthy copy of the gene, and inactivating or knocking out a mutated gene that is functioning improperly. So this is all about the um, biotechnology. The next is was environmental biotechnology. In this, for cleaning environment with the power of microbes, biotechnology helps to eliminate pollutant, remove waste from environment. In agricultural development, it is also used. So this is all about the biotechnology and its scope and importance. Hope you like this video. This video is generated by JVW Digital version 2.0. If you have any query, you can write down in comment section.